What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing a first impressions review video, and I know I said in the past I won't do these, but I have no choice because I had a few of you asking me if I was gonna check out and review the lovely Norvina Volume 4. And of course I had to get my hands on this. Like, my favorite color is pink. I took it out of the box already, obviously, because I did my look already. Comes in a regular box like this. And she is a beauty, guys. Like, of course, comes with a big mirror. And these are the colors. It's beautiful. Like, I love it. You guys are gonna see in the video, and I hope my footage is good because I was seeing it a little tiny bit funny, and then when I just passed my fingernail on the camera thing, the lens, it cleared up a little. So you should be able to see. I hope it don't look funky, but when you guys see, oh my god, like the shadows blend out so nice, like a dream. They blend out so beautiful. I also got her cake liners, and these, you wet your brush and you dip it in. Oh my god, like, obviously I use the purple one, but they're so easy. It glides on once you wet your brush. I did show you in the video. You dip your brush in water and then you go right in it. The way it just glides on, oh my god. But once it starts drying up, you're gonna have to dip in water again because it makes it a little bit difficult. Like, it has to be not drenched wet, but it has to be wet. Like, I show you guys, I use this brush, just dip it in water like that and go in, and they're so pretty. So now I'm gonna swatch all the colors that I use on my lid. There's a lot of colors to swatch, and then these two are pressed glitters. So I'm gonna swatch the colors, okay? These are the colors I used on my lid today. I know my swatches ain't the best, but I used B3 for transition. Then, what is it? I went in with C5. This is E4. This is A2, C1, and C2. This is what I use for my lower lash to smoke it out. These two. And, like, you see that? That's what got all over the lid, girl. These shadows are bomb. Like, Anastasia Beverly Hills got one of the top, one of my top brands when it comes to shadows. And Norvina did her thing. But these palettes, she did her thing. Like, this thing, if you could get your hands on it, it's worth every penny. Every penny. Every penny. And that retails for $60. And these are $30 each. So if you get both of them, it'll be $60 together. 60. But it's worth it. Like, you guys see all the shades here. Look how bomb my look came out. And, like, it doesn't take much. Like, I'm gonna show you the liners now. Let me just get a wipey. So this is the first one. Electric orange, opaque white, if you that's how you say it, and electric purple. And it opens up like that, and then these just slide out. It's so cool. So you see the purple still drying, and as you see, I only tapped into it just in the middle a little bit. So let me swatch this for you. I dipped the brush and I'm going in the orange one. You guys saw how that just glided on? Neon orange. Now next one, the white one, extremely white. And then we're going in with the purple, which is what I use today to do a wing. Look at that. They're beautiful, and let me tell you, pigmented. I didn't think something that has to like deal with water when it comes to makeup would be that pigmented. And if you're a pro in doing wings, like, you're gonna do your wings quickly. When I say quickly, I mean quickly. Y'all gonna be doing wings quick. And the next one, we have electric pink, electric yellow, and electric lime. And same thing, opens here, has a little mirror, and it slides out. These are the colors. This is like, these things are gonna be bomb for the summer. This is the pink one. Ooh, that is neon pink. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That's the yellow one. I think my next few videos are gonna be dealing with these things because they're just so pretty. Like, if you're not a type of person to mess with colors or do dramatic looks, this is gonna make you wanna do that. This is gonna make you wanna get out of your comfort zone. And here's the green one. Oh my god. This is the Tarte brush. I had this for a very long time. You don't have to get the Tarte one. Whatever brush is that skinny or even really thin and angled, like this one, I think would be good. And that's the set. Guys, Norvina did her thing with these liners and this palette. I'm telling you, I love it. I love it. Again, the shadows blended beautifully. So pigmented. You don't have to pick up a lot. You don't even have to do much. And yeah. So this is the look I got, what you guys are gonna see now. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to press that little bell button next to the subscription word where you subscribe at. Because if you do, then whenever I upload, you're gonna get notified and you're gonna know to hop on my video, okay? So enjoy. I am so happy to be playing with this palette. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Look at this. Y'all see these colors? It's a beauty. So, I know I can't sing. So, eyebrows done. I did prime my lids with the Anastasia eye primer. And we're gonna jump right in. We're gonna jump right in. Stephanie here is gonna try to go all out. So, I'm gonna try to use as many shades as I can, so bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. So, we're going to start with B3 for the transition. Pigmented, I tell you, Anastasia shadows. All you gotta do is tap on it. Tap on it one time. This is blending so nice. I know y'all see that. I was gonna film the same day this came in, but it came in too late. It came in, it was almost 6 o'clock. So I didn't get to film it. That is so pretty. Oy, oy, oy. So now we're gonna go in with C5, this one right there. And we're gonna put that in. I'm trying to not touch so much on the lids because we're gonna cut the crease, but without cutting it with concealer and stuff, you know, but we're gonna cut it with the shadow. Oh, that's so pretty. Guys, I officially go back to work on Tuesday, and I'm excited. Like I always say, blending is key. No matter what colors you use, if you're not blending that bad boy, it's gonna look crazy. So what I'm going for is like a pink purple type look. That's what we're doing. Now we're gonna take E4, and I'm gonna place that carefully on the outer corner, and we're gonna take it into the crease. I'm gonna pack it on first on the outer corner and then start blending it. So we're gonna pack that color on. And then blend it. Yeah, it's amazing how these shadows just blend in so easily. Like you don't even have to put so much work into it. Norvina be doing her thing. So you see, you can still see the pink, but now you see purple in it, but everything goes nice and blended. That's what we always want in the shadow, that you see the colors that you have put on, but that they all go together. So this is what we have so far. Now we're going to take a flat brush like this. This is the Jaclyn Hill H41. It's my favorite brush to pack on for the lid and especially for glitter. So we're going to take A2. It's like a purple mixed with a pinkish like shimmery color. We're gonna put that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna take C1 and I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner. I'm gonna go in with the brush first to see how it applies without having to use my finger first, which is something I do with a lot of shadows. That it's pretty, but I want it more intense, so we are gonna use the finger. Oh my goodness. Shadows like these, you don't know what it does to me. And we're gonna end up blending it out a little bit on the thing with the purple and the thing, the outer corner. I'm gonna do my finger as high as I can, and then I'm gonna use the brush to, I am getting fallout. It has like sparkles in it, but it's not chunky glitter. So now I'm gonna go back in with the brush. We're gonna pick it up. You see how it looks like, you know, cuts, but without the hassle of dealing with the concealer and all of that. But it looks nice. C1. And we're gonna put that right in the inner corner. So she came out with cake liners too. And we are going to use the purple one. And I'm gonna do a wing with it. This is this brush that I had gotten from Tarte. It has two sides to it. And I think I'm gonna use this one, this side. And technically you wet your brush, you dip it in there, and you just go ahead. So, once I finish doing the wing, obviously y'all gonna see it, and then I'm gonna just come back when it's time to do my lower lash line, because it's about the eyes today, people. It's about the eyes. So I wet my brush, and look how it looks. It's like if you're dealing with color paint a little. And my brush is coated now. I'm nervous. I am nervous. So this is what I got, and I struggle with my wings. They are not even. I need to continue because I spent too long doing these wings. So I'm gonna do my face, and then we're gonna come right back. So I just finished doing my face. Now it's time to smoke them. Now it's time to smoke out our bottom lash line. And I'm gonna go in first with B3 as close as I can to my waterline. I did use a white liner. I want my eyes to be open today. And then I want to give it like, let me see. We're gonna give the bottom lash a pop. I'm gonna go in with C2 and we're gonna smoke the bottom lash line out with that. C2 is more like, E5 is very bright, and then C2 is pink but with like that purpley undertone, so we're trying to keep it in the family. And we're gonna bring it out to the bottom of the eyeliner. Guys, I am not a professional. I cannot stress that enough. So if something's looking crazy, y'all already know. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish everything else. I'm gonna pop lashes and all that, and then I'm gonna come back. Before I go, hold on. I said we're gonna highlight the inner tear duct, right? Or C1. That's what we're gonna do. That's a pretty color. We're gonna take that same shade and do the brow bone. So guys, this is the final look. I'm feeling it. I know I brought my bangs back, but one, my forehead's been getting greasy. I don't understand. I don't know if it's because of because I put a little bit Vaseline on it, so I was breaking out a little. And two, when I do looks like this, the bangs cover it. You can't even like, and it takes away from the lashes. So whenever I'm doing a dramatic look like this, I will have my bangs pushed back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like it. First time I did rhinestones and I'm living for it. I love this palette. Like, if y'all can get your hands on it, get it. And the liner, so easy to work with. It's just doesn't matter what liner I use. Doing wing is always a challenge for me, so, but it's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow my IG. Everything is gonna be listed down in the description box below. And don't forget, God loves you and I love you. Bye.